We were always uneasy about how patients responded to the conventional prophylaxis, and this was our main motivation to getting an EMS machine. What I like best about working with the EMS machine is that it's so simple to use. It enables you to reach otherwise inaccessible areas. The guided biofilm therapy has definitely helped us with our cleaning regime.
This is the first time I've had a GBT treatment. I love the fact that it was warm water. My teeth is normally sensitive, but not today. Compared to the old treatment, I definitely recommend that.
Our patients absolutely love this machine, and it's just so wonderful to see how happy they are afterwards.
It feels amazing. The texture, nice and smooth. They definitely look whiter than normal.
Also, after they've had the GBT treatment, they immediately book their next appointment. It's not like where they used to be like, call me in 6 months, I'll see how I'm feeling. It's immediately booked. I honestly don't know how we worked without this machine before, and it's completely revolutionary.